The question is to find the derivative of the function. If we have exponential function a to the x, where base is not e, then its derivative is equal to natural log a times this exponential function a to the x times derivative of x, which is equal to 1. So derivative of this function, y prime is equal to base is 5, so natural log 5 times function itself, the exponential function itself, 5 to the 2 minus 3x plus 1 over x times derivative of this expression right here. So that's going to be negative 3. Well, the derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. So this is going to be equal to factor out negative, so negative natural log 5 times 5 to the 2 minus 3x plus 1 over x, parenthesis, 3 plus 1 over x squared.